Backdragging is used to clear snow from areas that cannot be accessed when plowing in a forward motion, such as loading docks, dumpsters, and other obstacles, and residential driveways. Best practices for backdragging include finding an area to place the cleared snow and to turn the vehicle around. Whenever possible, use a forward clearing motion, which is safer than driving in reverse. Backdragging is also used when plowing in a forward motion is not the safest method. One example is a parking lot entrance and exit, especially during high-volume traffic. Wait for traffic to clear and proceed cautiously to the end of the driveway or parking lot apron. Look to the left, right, and rear of the vehicle or equipment to ensure oncoming traffic will not impede safe reverse motion. Place the plow in the down position and backdrag the snow to a predetermined area where you can then safely clear the snow in forward motion.